Hello Humble Bakers, kamusta po kayo? So ito yung madalas na tinatanong sa akin. Ano bang magandang brand? Cocoa powder for chocolate cake, brand ng butter for frosting, brand ng chocolate for ganache. So here are the factors that you need to consider when choosing the right brand or raw materials. 1. Evaluate. Evaluate mo yung most of the products in terms of taste and quality. For example, sa Pilipinas merong 10 brands ng butter. Let us say brand number 1 to brand number 10. You need to try and evaluate yung each ng butter, then select which of these brands ang approved sa taste mo. Example, out of this 10, 1 to 6 yung pasado sa taste mo. Then identify mo kung sino yung number 1 at sino yung pinaka-least. 1 being the most preferred. Then second, you need to understand the price. Which of these brands ang pasado sa taste mo and pasok sa price base sa target na food cost mo. Example, out of these brands na napili mo, 4 yung pasok sa target price range mo. Sabihin natin si brands number 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, yung 4 na brands na yon ang approved sa taste, quality, and price. Then last, supplier. Choose from bakery supply shop na malapit sa'yo, near supermarket, online stores, and etc. Minsan kasi yung gusto mong gamitin kasi sinadjust sa'yo or nakikita mo sa iba is hindi naman available at pasok sa target food cost mo. Yun lang, sana meron kayong natutunan.